Hello everybody, it's Hynex here. To get started I have here my logo and the background. Select the image and move the time record where we want to start the slide. On the effect controls we click on the stopwatch to create a timestamp and we drag one of the values to move our logo out of the screen. After that we click where we want to end our animation and we move back the value we changed, automatically creating another timestamp. Okay, it's too slow, so we drag the timestamp closer to the first one. We can see our slide is not smooth enough, so we select our timestamp, right click, temporal interpolation and ease in. And if we play now, we can see that our slide is finally smooth. That was it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and if I help you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.